Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you every one of you that come over to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. Today I'm going to be making whole wheat pasta. This is a pasta that is made with whole wheat and it does not have much calories. And because of the way it tastes, at times, personally, I don't like to cook it. So I have some ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have the onion, bell pepper, and red pepper in addition with other spices that I didn't show over here in the camera, but I'm going to list it in my description box. I have the diced tomatoes from the can, and I'm going to start dicing my bell pepper. Cut it in a way that you like. That is the red bell pepper and is frozen. So do the same thing, cut it to the size of your choice. Now that I finished dicing my peppers, I'm going to go ahead and boil the pasta. I just sprayed the water so that they will not cling together, and I'm going to pour the pasta in the pot. Mix it together and allow it to cook. Cover it up with a pasta cooking pot so that when you are draining it out, it will be easy for the water to drain out. Or you can pour everything into your sieve. So drain out the water once your pasta is cooked. The whole wheat pasta does not really have a taste, so you have to season your sauce very well so that you will be able to enjoy it, because it has a blank taste. So here I'm preparing my oil, seasoning with chicken bouillon, turmeric and ginger before I start frying my onion. Fry your onion on a low heat. And I'm adding the bell pepper, the red one, the first time you eat this whole wheat pasta, you may not like it, but when you keep eating it, you become used to it. I just added powdered garlic. And I'm going to be adding half chicken bouillon or your Maggi. Make sure it is well melted into the oil. And then I'm adding the the diced tomatoes. That is canned tomatoes. It's not raw. It's already in the container. Allow it to cook very well. So after your sauce is well cooked, you can now go ahead and add your green pepper, or the way you want it. I just added my green pepper, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of a spring onion. Give it a quick mix. So this time, once my sauce is well cooked, I will be adding the pasta. The pasta is cooked, so all you need to do is mix it up with the sauce. The pasta is blank, it doesn't have taste. That is why you have to season your sauce very well so that you'll be able to enjoy the pasta. Don't forget that it is whole wheat pasta with less calorie. So once it is ready, you allow it to simmer for some minutes. I just added the parsley, dry parsley to it, and allow it to simmer, and your pasta is ready. You enjoy it in any way you like. You can add your meat to it, fish, or whatever way you want to eat it. You can even eat it with a boiled egg, and any meat of your choice. So here is my pasta, whole wheat, is ready, and I enjoyed it with a seasoned pink salmon, baked pink salmon. So thank you every one of you that always come to watch my video. Please, I will appreciate if you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, thank you all, and I will see you in my next video. You all have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.